Hello students, welcome to your new GK tutorial. Today we are here for a new lesson. The lesson name is ISRO. Okay, जो हम इस बार lesson करेंगे that is ISRO. So what is the full form of ISRO? I stands for Indian, S stands for space, R stands for research and O stands for organization. So it is the Indian Space Research Organization, and dear students, it basically deals with the operations that are done in the space, the Department of Space. What type of satellites are to be sent और वहाँ पे जो भी हम space में कुछ भी information gather होती है, that is all operated by the department, that is ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Okay, so in this lesson we will be studying about the various facts. हम इसके कुछ various facts के बारे में study करेंगे. Okay. So before starting with the facts, first thing is that this is under the government of India. ये जो department है बेटे, this is under government of India, and very foremost when it is formed. It is formed on 15th of August 1969. This thing is very important and you should be keeping in your mind that this department, the ISRO department, is being formed on 15th of August 1969. So now we are going to start with various facts of the ISRO that you must know, and this is for your more knowledge, and your knowledge will be more enhanced when you will be getting to know about the concepts and the facts of the ISRO. So let's study with that. Okay students, so we are back to the chapter now. So do you know what ISRO is? Like I have given you the full form. Indian Space Research Organization is the full form of ISRO. Okay, and it is a space agency of government of India. I have already told you that this space agency is under the government of India. Now another new question, when it is formed? It is formed on 15th of August 1969. So it's a date when it is formed. You should be knowing the date, you should be learning it. It is formed on 15th of August 1969. So below you can see some facts are being given and you are given with the help box. So we can be using the ideas that are given in the help box to fill up these blanks. Okay, so first is the headquarters of the agency. Which agency? Space agency. Name of the space agency is ISRO and the full form is Indian Space Research Organization. So the headquarters of the agency is located in. So there you are given with the blanks and you have to take the help from this help box. So it's located in, the answer is yes, the answer is Bengaluru. So the first answer is Bengaluru. Very good. Now next is ISRO is owned by the Department of. Okay, department of, tell me what department of, organization of the space agency. Yes, so it is a department of space. Yes, very correct. Department of space. So ISRO is owned by the Department of Space. You have different departments in the school as well, Department of Science, Department of Maths, Department of English. So similarly there is a Department of Space and this ISRO is owned. Owned का मतलब कि इसका owner कौन है? Department of Space. So third is ISRO sent a lunar orbiter in 2008 which discovered the widespread presence of water molecules in the lunar soil. So it is known as you have seen in the video I have sent you कि इसमें 2018 में they have sent one lunar orbiter and the name of that was Chandrayaan-1. Name of that was Chandrayaan-1. Okay, coming to the next. Dash was the satellite built by ISRO. Which satellite is built by ISRO? The name of the satellite is Aryabhatta. So the satellite name is Aryabhatta. It was a satellite, that first satellite that was built up by the ISRO, Aryabhatta. Right? So coming to the next. Dash was the first satellite to be placed in orbit by the Indian-made launch vehicle SLV-3 in 1980. Which is the first satellite that by placed in orbit by the Indian-made launch vehicle? What is the name of that? Yes, your guesses are right. The name is Rohini. So it is Rohini. Right? So next is Satish Dhawan Space Center in Dash, Andhra Pradesh is the primary spaceport of the organization. So you have to tell that Satish Dhawan Space Center in what? It is in Sriharikota. So the answer is Sriharikota. Okay, next is a record of launching Dash satellites in a single payload was set by ISRO in 2016. So it's again an achievement that it has made a record of launching how many satellites in a one payload. How many satellites and in which year? In 2016. So the answer is 20 satellites was launched in single payload by ISRO and they have made a record for this. So next, coming to 8 blank, ISRO launched Dash satellites in a single rocket. The name of the rocket is also being given, PSLV C-37 in February 2017 and created a world record. How many satellites was launched by ISRO in single rocket that was launched in February 2017 and they created the world record? So the answer is 104 satellites was being launched by the ISRO. Okay, ninth is the Mars orbiter Dash was sent by ISRO on November 5, 2013 and entered Mars orbit in September 2014. India became a first nation to succeed on its first attempt to Mars. You know Mars is a planet. So what the ISRO did, they sent the Mars orbiter. The name was something was the name that you have to judge and it was sent on 5th of November 2013 and when it enters the Mars, it enters in September 2014 and India became the first nation to get success on this. So the name of the Mars orbiter was, that is Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan was the name of the Mars orbiter that was sent to Mars and it was sent by ISRO on 5th November 2013 and it successfully enters to the Mars orbit in September 2014. Okay, so 10th is ISRO launched second lunar exploration in July 2009 named as. What was the name of that? The name is Chandrayaan-2. Chandrayaan-2 was the name. Okay, it was the second. So Chandrayaan 1 was the first and Chandrayaan 2 was the second to send. So Chandrayaan 1 was sent in 2008 and in 2009 Chandrayaan 2 was sent. So I am repeating the blanks. First is Bengaluru, second is space, third is Chandrayaan 1, fourth is Aryabhatta, fifth is Rohini, sixth is Sriharikota, seventh is 20 satellites, eighth is 104 satellites, ninth is Mangalyaan, and the 10th is Chandrayaan 2. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the concepts and the facts of the ISRO. Do give reading to this lesson, complete your lesson. Thank you so much everyone.